Welcome to USA Smart Shop. If you are looking for the best deep cleaning machines to tackle stubborn dirt, carpets, floors, and upholstery, you are in the right place. In this video, we will cover the top 5 best deep cleaning machines available today. These machines are selected based on cleaning power, versatility, ease of use, and overall value. Let's get started. We have included links in the description. Number 1. Shark Stainstriker Hair Pro Portable Carpet, Upholstery and Area Rug Cleaner with Pet Mess and Hair Tools, Self-Cleaning, perfect for pets and car interiors, for cleaning tools and pet solution, copper, PX251. The Shark Stainstriker Hair Pro Portable Cleaner is designed to tackle tough stains, embedded dirt, and pet-related messes across carpets, upholstery, area rugs, and car interiors. Its compact and portable design makes it easy to carry from room to room or take outside for vehicle cleaning. The copper finish adds a premium look while maintaining a durable build. This cleaner uses powerful spray and suction technology to lift stains and debris deep from fabric surfaces. It is especially effective for pet owners, with dedicated tools designed to remove pet hair, odors, and set-in messes. The included pet solution works with the machine to break down stains and neutralize odors without leaving sticky residue. Multiple cleaning tools allow targeted cleaning for different surfaces. Upholstery tools work well on couches and chairs, while specialized attachments handle tight spaces such as stairs, corners, and car seats. The Hair Pro tool is designed to capture hair while cleaning, reducing the need for separate vacuuming. A self-cleaning hose system helps prevent buildup inside the machine after use. This feature flushes out dirt and residue, helping maintain performance and reduce maintenance time. The easy-to-fill water tanks make setup quick and cleanup simple. Strong suction helps extract moisture from fabrics, reducing drying time after cleaning. This is useful for busy households where furniture and carpets need to be ready quickly. The compact footprint allows the unit to be stored easily in closets or car trunks. Overall, the Shark Stainstriker Hair Pro delivers focused cleaning power, pet-friendly features, and convenient portability. It is a practical solution for maintaining clean carpets, furniture, and vehicle interiors, especially in homes with pets. Number 2. Bissell Little Green Multi-Purpose Portable Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner, Car and Auto Detailer, with exclusive specialty tools, Green, 1400B. The Bissell Little Green Portable Cleaner is a compact and versatile solution for cleaning carpets, upholstery, stairs, and vehicle interiors. Designed for spot and stain cleaning, it delivers reliable performance for everyday messes, spills, and tracked-in dirt. The lightweight design makes it easy to carry and maneuver around the home or into a car. This cleaner uses a combination of spray, scrubbing, and suction to lift stains from fabric surfaces. The included specialty tools allow focused cleaning on different materials and hard-to-reach areas. Upholstery tools are well suited for furniture, while smaller attachments handle crevices and car interiors. The water tank is easy to remove, fill, and empty, making setup straightforward. Cleaning solution is sprayed directly onto stains, loosening dirt before being extracted through suction. This process helps refresh fabrics and improve appearance without soaking surfaces excessively. The Little Green is commonly used for pet accidents, food spills, and everyday household stains. Its compact size allows quick access for cleaning messes as they happen, helping prevent stains from setting in. The hose length provides flexibility for reaching stairs and corners. Bissell focuses on practical design, and this model is easy to store when not in use. Maintenance is simple, with accessible components for rinsing after cleaning sessions. The durable construction supports frequent use. Overall, the Bissell Little Green Portable Cleaner offers dependable stain removal, ease of use, and portability. It is a reliable choice for users who want an effective spot cleaning tool for carpets, upholstery, and vehicles. Number 3. Hoover CleanSlate XL Deep Cleaning Carpet Plus Upholstery Spot Cleaner Machine with specialized tools, permanent stain remover, pair with Hoover Portable Spot Cleaner Solution. The Hoover CleanSlate XL is a portable deep cleaning machine built for tackling tough stains on carpets, upholstery, stairs, and vehicle interiors. Its XL capacity design allows longer cleaning sessions with fewer refills, making it suitable for larger messes and frequent use. The overall build feels solid and designed for durability. This machine delivers strong suction to lift embedded dirt, spills, and dried stains from fabric surfaces. When paired with Hoover Portable Spot Cleaner solution, it works to break down stubborn messes such as pet accidents, food spills, and tracked-in grime. The spray and suction combination helps pull moisture back out of fabrics, reducing drying time. Specialized tools enhance cleaning precision. The wide path tool is ideal for covering larger stained areas quickly, while smaller attachments are designed for corners, stairs, and tight spaces. Upholstery tools work well on couches, chairs, and car seats, providing controlled scrubbing without damaging fabric. The hose length allows flexibility when cleaning elevated surfaces or interiors of vehicles. Tanks are easy to remove, fill, and empty, simplifying both setup and cleanup. Clear tank visibility makes it easy to monitor water and solution levels during use. The CleanSlate XL is designed for convenience, with onboard storage for tools and hose management. This keeps accessories organized and ready for use. Its compact footprint allows easy storage in closets or garages. Overall, the Hoover CleanSlate XL offers strong stain removal, versatile tools, and a larger capacity in a portable format. It is a practical choice for homes needing dependable spot cleaning for carpets, upholstery, and vehicles. Number 4. UN Carpet Cleaner Machine 18 kPa Powerful Suction, Portable Carpet Cleaner for Pet Stains with Cleaning Tools and Solution Self-Cleaning Upholstery Cleaner for Car, Couch, Rug, Spot. The UN Portable Carpet Cleaner is designed for powerful spot cleaning with an 18 kPa suction system. It targets pet stains, spills, and everyday messes on carpets, rugs, couches, and car interiors. Its compact design makes it easy to move between rooms or transport for vehicle cleaning. High suction power helps extract deep-seated dirt and moisture from fabric surfaces. This improves cleaning effectiveness while reducing drying time. The included cleaning solution works with the machine to loosen stains and neutralize odors, making it especially useful for pet owners. Multiple cleaning tools are included to handle different surfaces and mess types. Upholstery tools provide gentle scrubbing for furniture, while focused attachments reach tight corners, seams, and stairs. This versatility allows precise cleaning without oversaturating fabrics. A built-in self-cleaning function helps flush residue from the hose after use. This feature helps maintain performance and reduces the need for manual cleaning. Water tanks are designed for easy removal and refilling, keeping operations simple and efficient. The UN Cleaner balances strong performance with user-friendly operation. Controls are straightforward, and the lightweight build helps reduce fatigue during longer cleaning sessions. Storage is easy due to its compact size. Overall, the UN Carpet Cleaner delivers strong suction, pet-focused features, and convenient maintenance. It is well suited for users who want a portable solution for frequent spot cleaning around the home and in vehicles. Number 5. Bissell ProHeat 2X Revolution Pet Pro Plus 3588F Upright Deep Cleaner, 30-minute dry time, dual dirt lifter power brush, hose and tool attachment, pet upholstery, and tough stain tool included. The Bissell ProHeat 2X Revolution Pet Pro Plus is an upright deep carpet cleaner designed for whole room cleaning and tough pet messes. Its full-size design allows it to clean large carpeted areas efficiently while still offering hose and tool attachments for spot cleaning and upholstery. Large water tanks reduce the need for frequent refills, making it efficient for cleaning multiple rooms in one session. Controls are easy to access, allowing users to switch cleaning modes based on the level of mess and carpet type. Despite its upright size, the ProHeat 2X Revolution is designed to be maneuverable. Swivel steering and a balanced weight distribution help move around furniture in tight spaces. Overall, the Bissell ProHeat 2X Revolution Pet Pro Plus combines deep cleaning power, pet-focused tools, and faster drying time. It is a strong option for households with pets and high-traffic carpeted areas. That's our list of the top 5 best deep cleaning machines here on USA Smart Shop. Each machine offers unique features depending on your cleaning needs and surfaces. You'll find updated prices and purchase links in the description below. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more product reviews.